Have you ever wondered how much money YouTube channel could be making from its views? Well, there is a simple tool that can give you an estimated amount. Let me show you how it works. Open your browser and search for UpdateFake. Click on the first link. Go to the search bar and search for YouTube Money Calculator. Open the first one. When you open the calculator, you will notice there is already an example YouTube channel in the box. So simply clear the example channel. Then go to YouTube and copy the link of the channel that you want to estimate. Come back to the calculator and paste the YouTube channel link here. Click on load channel and there you have it. You can use this to get an idea of how much a YouTube channel could potentially be earning. But remember, this is only an estimated. It doesn't mean the channel is actually making that exact amount of money. So, if you ever wondered how much YouTube channel could be making, now you know how to check it. If you found this useful, subscribe to support me. And also, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.